Hey guys, what's up? It's Subacabra. So I've been messing around with these new Stark Sound SW10 sealed 10-inch subwoofers today. Gotta say I'm very impressed so far. I'm just gonna play a little bass mechanic, suck my bass. The loud slowed remix. All right, here we go. So it's not even that loud. Negative 33. Barely moving there. Sounds really good in here. I'm not sure why the woofers have like this, I don't know, looks like powder on the surrounds. Definitely very impressed by these. I did manage to get the grill off, as you can see. That's the other one. Got some rattles going on here in the entertainment center. If anybody's on the fence about these subs though, I definitely recommend them. They sound really, really good. I had the LV12 Rhythmic sealed 12 in here and these blow them away. I think it's like a super low part. Oh yeah, got vibrations galore. Holy moly. That's the house vibrating. No weird noises coming from the sub. Holy crap. Alright, let's turn that down a smidge. I do have dynamic EQ on, so it definitely boosts it a little bit more than I'd like for in here. It's just my living room setup, so it's basic 5.1 just for casual movies, gaming, stuff like that. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that, so I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.